Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this latest Fish It update, there's a brand new item called Volcanic Bobber, a cool bait skin with amazing lava effect like this. Just look at this, like this, like this. It's a very glowing and I think it looks so cool with the lava effect like this. And to get this Volcanic Bobber, you need to complete a simple fishing quest. All you have to do is catch Magma Puffer Fish. This one. You will get the volcanic bubble like this, and the fish will look like this. Like this. The fish looks like this. And just keep in mind, Magma Puffer Fish is an epic fish, so make sure you are using your best rod and the best bait that you have to increase your chances. And then next, just stay patient and then keep fishing on this Kohana volcano. And once you have caught all 5 Magma Puffer Fish, the quest will be completed automatically. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!